Most beginners think AI is the problem. Too many tools, too many updates, too much noise. But that's not why people fail. The real reason beginners struggle with AI is simple. They don't know where to start, so they try to do everything at once. And that's exactly why nothing works. After my last video, a lot of people asked me, if AI updates don't matter, what should I actually focus on? Here's the simple answer. Beginners don't need more tools. They need one clear system. If I had to start from zero today, I wouldn't chase the newest AI feature. I'd pick one boring problem and solve it the same way every time. For example, writing short product descriptions, summarizing long content, creating basic website pages, or turning notes into simple scripts. Nothing fancy, nothing viral. Just one task that businesses already need. Then I'd use AI for only that one job. Same prompt, same structure, same outcome. This is where most people mess up. They open AI and ask random questions. They jump between ideas. They keep restarting instead of getting better. AI isn't powerful because it's smart. It's powerful because it's consistent. When you give it one clear role and repeat it, the results compound fast. The next step is turning that output into something usable. People don't pay for AI. They pay for finished work, a cleaned-up description, a ready-to-post page, a completed script, a simple website that actually works. AI just helps you get there faster. So, if AI feels overwhelming, stop trying to master everything. Pick one problem. Force AI to do one task. Package the result. That's how beginners actually make progress. And in the next video, I'll walk through a real example step by step, from zero, so you can see exactly how this works in practice. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.